Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. So in today's video, we're going to be decorating my tablescape for Easter, so come on with me guys. Now, because I have spent quite a bit of time on this runner and so many details to this tablescape, let's take the time out to look at all of the items. Now, I know we love the Easter eggs, we love the bunnies, we love all the pastels. We just absolutely love this time of the year because everything is springing back to life. But we cannot forget the reason for the season, and it's Easter because He is risen. Amen. This video is part of a collaboration called Tablescape Tuesdays, and that's my favorite time of the week. Tablescape Tuesdays is every Tuesday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now, I am your main host, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, and hosting with me is Amethyst Adventures. Now, Tablescape Tuesdays is normally freestyle unless there's a guest. And then the guest, when they come in, they get to choose any color, style, or theme. Now, monthly, I post in my community tab the calendar of collaborations for the month. So you really just don't want to miss that. You might want to jump in there. Let's get started with decorating this table, guys. Now here I have these golden rosette placemats. I absolutely love these. I got these in an Asian store local where I was living. So these clear plates I absolutely love, and I purchased those at the Dollar Tree. these beautiful dishes, which are faux wood, they came from Hobby Lobby. Now these adorable bunny plates, I thrifted these at the Goodwill. Now the wine glasses came from the Dollar Tree, but the water glasses came from the Goodwill. Okay, so those wooden napkin rings did come from the Goodwill, and then I went ahead and I grabbed white napkin and I grabbed some lace in that beige color just to give it that double layer look, and so voila, they look beautiful. Okay, so the flatware came from Aldi. I absolutely love it, and what a great price it was. Very slick, and I got it again in the gold tone. They did have the silver and they also had the black. So I am lighting the candles, and this centerpiece is just, to me, absolutely gorgeous. Let's head on over to the reveal. So let's not forget that Jesus is the reason for the season, guys. hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy creating it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one.